If you take a probiotic, you might want to take a little deeper look at maybe what you're taking. Most probiotics are made in a lab, and the lab feeds the bacteria sugar. And so those bacteria, when they're in your body, are gonna crave sugar. And I don't know if you know it, but your bacteria dictates what you crave. So if you have bacteria in your body that is craving sugar, you're gonna crave more sugar. You'll also see on the bottle of probiotics, it's usually 6 to 7 like strains that are really in the high numbers. Well, your gut alone needs 70,000 different microbes just to function. So when you take a probiotic made like this, you're diminishing the other populations of bacteria in your body, and you're like monocropping and only feeding those 6 to 7 strains. So that's overfeeding certain strains and starving out the rest. It's just really important to have a good balance of your bacteria in your body. Your body is 10 times more bacteria than cells. We have basically like 750 trillion bacteria. So you want to make sure you have a good diverse bacteria in your body, and you also want to be feeding the good bacteria, the fiber eating bacteria, because your diet does matter. The more you eat sugar and other fatty things and things you shouldn't be eating, your bacteria are going to be telling you and dictating for you to eat those foods. So crowd those out and start bringing in the good and start populating your fiber eating bacteria. So if you are looking to take a probiotic, I recommend one. It's actually right here. It's called Ion Gut Support by Dr. Zach Bush. It is actually, the bacteria is from ancient soil, so it's not like 6 to 7 sugar-fed strains from a lab. It's infinite, great bacteria that will help populate your gut.